Shen ki dkhot Nehu Students Union hapoh jingialam advisor o samla Brandon Paswet kila leit ban ai ka dorkhas hau Vice Chancellor katei ka Skulbah o Prof Prabha Shankar Shukla ban dawa ki katto katne tylli ki jingdonkam kiba bat ka bha ka miat ki samla pule. Mynne ka sngi kitei ki samla kila pynlong ka jingiakhih hakhmat ka ophis trei o Vice Chancellor ban kyntu ban pynurlong ki jingdawa ki jongki hapoh ribalengkon. Habayakran bagi nong pathai kubor usamla Brandon Paswet ulayat ho bagi dkhot Nehu Students Union Shen kila labo ikijing dawa jengki hakhmat Vice Chancellor ka Skulbah Nehu. Kini kijing dawa ki kentop ikijing penbiang ki wifi na internet haki hostel kijing penbiang ki boss ki ban on bat wan shaw ki kena pule ka Nehu kajing penbiang ke bam bat ki dawai dashin na kabenta ki kena hostel katei ka Skulbah bat ru iki kam maramot haki hostel baper ki badon hapoh ka Nehu. O Vice Chancellor ka North Eastern Hill University o Prof Prabha Shankar Shukla ula ai ka jing pensyai halor ka jingiakhih ka bala pynlong daki dkhot jong ka Nehu Students Union Mynne ka sngi ula ong baki kena ki don ya ka hok bandawa na ki nong penyat katei ka Skulbah Nehu nrei ka long ka bajinjar pat ban pynurlong ki tei ki mat jingdawa haipor ibalingkon hakabaya dei bat kini ki jingdawa o Vice Chancellor ula kular ba on sapet banya ki batru ba on pynurlong kini ki jingdawa hapoh ka khat san sngi.
Good afternoon. I'm Brandon Paswet, the advisor of the Nehu. And so after a vigorous protest and discussion with the Vice Chancellor, between the Vice Chancellor and the students, it has come to a conclusion that these following 5 points will be resolved within a period of 15 days. That is to ensure the Wi-Fi connectivity within the hostels, arrangement of more buses for the transportation of students, maintenance of quality food and water in the hostels, availability of sufficient medicines in the Nehu Health Center, and finally, the initiation and of the repair work in the hostels. Student body, we are, it is a means and a step forward towards our initiation to the betterment of the Nehu community as a whole and for the students. So this is just a simple small steps. These 5 points which has been assured to us that it shall be completed within the span of 15 days is a small step into the initiation of our the whole memorandum which we have placed. So we understand that all the vigorous agendas which have been placed cannot be fulfilled in such a short span of time, but all these agendas which can be done so has been taken up and has been assured to us that it can be fulfilled within a span of 15 days.
Student can ask any demand, and I always trying to fulfill the demand of the students. Just like some problems related to the department, some problem related to the schools, some problems related to the administration, and also some problem related to the finance. I already before today discussed the problems of the student with the different sections, and all the sections are doing their best effort in this area. And the message already conveyed the student. Again I am repeating my word. Why immediately tomorrow student union, yesterday student union take this decision to agitate in front of the Vice Chancellor office without any information. Even I in the last even in the last time at 11th hour after listening the noise and slogans of the student, then I were aware of the student also agitated.
So they also demanded for a Vice Chancellor. So will you take on?
Then they also demanded in the future if it is required, then I will take the decision. Even I am doing my best efforts every day. Even anyone can, all of you also inquire from 9:30 to up to 8:30, like 9:30, like that, for the betterment of the institution. Even every day going to clear all the things. But it will take some time to improve the situation of the Nehu. No? All of you are well aware about the situation of the Nehu. But last 9 to 10 months, what already did for the Nehu, all of you are the bitterness of the Nehu.
Sir, we have seen
Work basis. In the colleges, different colleges, it started from just I had discussed with my members, it started from 1993. After 1993, why past Vice Chancellor not did the work in this area, I also not able to say anything. I'm also not able to say anything. But I can say, under the rules and regulations of the government, if government is going to circulate some letter, some other things, I am ready to help the Nehu workers. He is my workers. He is doing the work for the Nehu. I am not against of the workers, but under the rules and regulation. Even after my joining, I already discussed with the union members of the Nehu, and he suggested me, sir, in the past, something already did by the Vice Chancellor, not without the rules and regulations. So this is my humble request to you. Start the works in this campus for the betterment of the Nehu and also under the rules and regulations. The union says, and I was very happy that union is saying this thing. Union is saying me, sir, some are not coming in the office timely. I just convince him, discuss with your people why he is not coming joining their offices in time. If I am going to take any actions, then union will again going to take agitation. To first convince him, convey my message, that my Vice Chancellor already joined their offices in time, why not people?
but
I already conducted meeting with the union and continuous trying to solve the problems. I don't know why yesterday immediately students take this action. After my joining, I am doing hard work in the interest of the Nehu, also in the interest of the student. And I can say, first time Nehu is going to establish more than 60 smart classroom in the campus, only for the betterment of the teaching situation in the campus, either in some just like previously happened the COVID period, or in or you can say the offline or online classes.